In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo when it keeps replacing Google Chrome. If you've noticed that your searches in Chrome suddenly go through Yahoo instead of Google, it usually means a setting was changed or an extension took over. Let's walk through a clean, safe fix together. Start by opening Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right to open Settings. Head to Search Engine, then choose Manage Search Engines. Here, make sure Google is set as your default search engine so your address bar searches go where you expect. Next, look through the list and remove any Yahoo entries you don't want. Click the three dots next to each Yahoo listing and choose Remove. Cleaning out those entries helps stop Chrome from switching back behind the scenes. Next, we'll check your extensions, since they're a common cause of unwanted changes. Click the three dots again, choose Extensions, and then Manage Extensions. You'll see all the add-ons installed in your browser. Turn off or remove anything you don't recognize, especially recent installs around the time the problem started. If you're unsure about something, you can toggle it off first to test before removing. Once you've disabled or removed suspicious extensions, restart Chrome to apply the changes. If the issue persists, use Chrome's built-in reset to return key settings to normal without losing your bookmarks. Go back to Settings, scroll down to Reset and Clean Up, and select Restore settings to their original defaults. Confirm the reset. This reverts your default search engine and homepage, and disables extensions, which is often enough to stop the hijack while keeping your saved bookmarks intact. If you still see Yahoo taking over after that, it's time for a fresh install. First, back up your data by turning on Chrome Sync so your bookmarks and other browsing data are saved to your account. Once that's backed up, uninstall Chrome completely from your computer. Then, download the latest version directly from Google's official site and reinstall it. After installation, open Chrome, sign in, and let your data sync back. With a clean setup, the problem should be gone. That's it. By resetting your search engine, removing unwanted extensions, restoring defaults, and, if necessary, reinstalling with a backup, you can stop Yahoo from replacing your Chrome experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.